Hello, I'm Russ Faulk, Chief Designer and Grill Master for Kalamazoo Outdoor Gourmet, and today I'm going to show you how to temper steaks on our Argentinian style Gaucho Grill. We have another video for you on our sear and slide technique, and we show you that on the hybrid fire grill. But for the Gaucho Grill, I really like to go with this tempering technique that a lot of people call reverse sear. To temper a steak, what we want to do is bring its internal temperature up very slowly. And to do that, we need a multi-zone fire. So I've built a fire where it's very strong on the left side of the grill and tapering off to a medium fire towards the middle of the grill. And underneath my steaks, I have no fire at all. Our goal is to very slowly bring these steaks up to temperature on the inside, and then we're gonna sear them off over the hot zone at the last minute. It's gonna take 20 minutes to a half an hour for these to reach the internal temperature we desire. We're gonna flip them every once in a while along the way. I like to use this tempering technique, especially for doing a rare steak, because we're able to heat it all the way through. We're looking for about 100 degrees inside. Now that they're 100 degrees internal temperature, we're gonna lower the grill grate down so that we can sear the steaks. I'm gonna lower the grate nice and close to the fire, and then I'm gonna move the steaks directly over it to the hot zone of our grill. We should only need about 45 seconds per side to get a beautiful sear onto these steaks. Okay, these beautiful steaks are nicely browned. They've been infused with subtle wood flavor the entire time, even while they were tempering, and they should be really good. Let's give it a try here. That's just perfect. Subtle smoky flavor, nicely browned, juicy interior. It's a great way to cook a steak.